Hey, I'm Ethan. I lead docs here at Mintlify. Today, I'm going to demo the Agent Suggestions feature. The agent can monitor Git repositories, and when it detects user-facing changes, it'll make suggestions on how it should update your documentation. In your dashboard, you'll see the Ask Agent button and has a count beside it of how many current suggestions are awaiting your review. If you open the Agent panel and go to the Suggestions tab, you can review all of its suggestions. You'll see that it has the linked pull request that it's looking at to make these suggestions and how it thinks your documentation should be updated. You can add these suggestions as context to the agent and start making documentation updates right in your dashboard, or you can dismiss them. For example, I know I've already made this update to our docs, so I'm going to dismiss this. I'll scroll down and I decide I want to add this one to the chat because I know we need to document it. I'll submit it to the agent and let it generate a pull request. Some ways that you can incorporate the agent suggestions into your workflows are, if you're shipping quickly, you have a lot of releases, it's another set of eyes to make sure that nothing gets missed and that your documentation stays up to date. Or if you have people on your team who are shipping features and they want to contribute to the docs, but they're not as comfortable with technical writing, they can use the suggestion to create a draft and then either edit it or hand it off to someone else on your team who can get it ready to publish. The agent will stream its responses and tell you what it's working on, and then once the pull request is ready, you can either view it on GitHub or open it in the editor to make any changes. You could also check out the branch it creates and make any updates locally as well. I'm going to view this pull request on GitHub. You can see that I'm attributed as the author of this pull request since I prompted the agent to create it. And then in the pull request body, it also tags the person who created the originating pull request, the one that the agent determined warranted documentation updates. This way, everyone on your team who should be reviewing the documentation updates is aware of what's happening. From here, I'm ready to take this pull request through my normal documentation workflow, get a review, make sure it's up to our standards, and then publish it when it's ready. I hope that the agent suggestions can be helpful when you're working on your documentation. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments.